So really, is there much of a trick to seasoning anything? No. I've seasoned one surface, and I'm massaging the seasonings in. These are the lamb chops that I'm giving what I call a Detroit Arab spice blend treatment. I've trimmed the fat from these and massaging the spices in, turning them over, all of the little chops here. And look, here's the seasoning. I'm just using white pepper, which is what I use all the time. And look, it's just a sprinkling. You ought to be able to eyeball things pretty much. This here is a za'atar that I use. And I'm going to give that a little liberal sprinkle. And then another mix that is more like a Mediterranean flavor. It's got a little oregano and garlic and other things. And so you've got, various things going on here. But this is basically to approximate what I get if I go to the part of Detroit where all of the good Arab restaurants are. And so you see, it is just massaging the stuff in, making sure everything is thoroughly coated and covered. And for me, of course, I am going to put it in the bag to vacuum, seal it, and give it time to soak everything in. I sometimes have a little trouble opening the stuff because of the excellent sealing ability that these bags have. But you see, I'm basically just putting them in. And what's neat about this is that I am going to sous vide these later. And I'm going to use probably this same bag, although I'm going to sear them before I sous vide. So I'm just basically patting everything out to a single layer. Then I'm closing this bag up. Okay, this is going to get a little loud. Just hold on here. I just want you to see what happens. And with a little bit of time and trouble, what we have here is not only something, and I'm always pressing that seal down while I'm doing this. Yes, loud, what the hell, get over it. But you see, it's nicely vacuum packed. I could freeze it. I'm going to stick it in the fridge, and I'm going to let it sit for a day or two. If you're working with stuff that is fresh, straight from the store, you can vacuum pack, and if your refrigerator is like 35 degrees or, between 32 and 35 degrees, it'll keep for maybe 4 days or so, just depending on what it is. All right. Hopefully, that's helped you to season and to know how to work the seasonings in, how to just sprinkle the stuff over so you're not measuring crap. We're not pulling out measuring spoons and stuff like that. It's not necessary, but I am going to show you how to eyeball things and do what needs to be done. Catch you later.